It's Monday, March 27th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And welcome to what will be another biggest week yet for Rogers' proposed takeover of Shaw Communications. The two companies moving toward their self-imposed Friday deadline to finally complete that deal. The merger, though, still requiring a final sign-off from Federal Industry Minister François-Philippe Champagne. Listen, if you think rental costs are high now in large urban areas like Vancouver and Toronto, just wait, says a new analysis from the Royal Bank. An updated RBC crystal ball anticipating rental demand to quadruple in less than 3 years, as the current pace of rental construction projects is nowhere close to expected future demand. Spread the news and tell your friends about Canada's Business Beat, your daily go-to for the business news that impacts you, with listeners in over 20 countries on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. An update on that U.S. bank failure that caused so much concern. Word today that Silicon Valley Bank has just been sold to First Citizens Bank, along with its deposits of $56 billion and loans of $72 billion. Early turbulence for Porter Airline's expansion into Western Canada. Less than a month after expanding its wings, it's certainly not going as planned for the Toronto-based carrier. Aviation data company Cirium reporting that Porter has had to cancel 22% of its flights out of Toronto, nearly 20% of its schedule from Vancouver, and 17% of its departures from Calgary. Show business, good news if you're planning a trip to Vegas in the summer. Adele announcing plans to extend her performances at Caesars between June and November with an extra 34 shows, a concert film also in the works. And checking the Business Beat radar for the week ahead, fourth quarter earnings from well-known Calgary-based mortgage broker Dominion Lending Centers, along with Q4 results from Vancouver miners Galiano Gold and Avino Silver and Gold on Tuesday. Quebec's Dollarama will have year-end numbers on Wednesday, while security software maker BlackBerry will be out with its fourth quarter earnings on Thursday. StatsCan to wrap up the week with January's much anticipated GDP data on Friday. And that will do it for your Monday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.